All right, let's do a quick mic check, guys. Can you all let me know if you're able to hear me on YouTube, also as well if you are able to hear me on TikTok? All right, we have been having some technical difficulties this morning. All right, great. So my YouTube viewers, they can hear me. Can anyone let me know TikTok if you're also able to hear me as well on TikTok? All right, yes. So TikTok can definitely hear me as well. What's going on? The numbers seem small today. I guess everyone has now forgotten about the channel and no longer wants to be a part of it. All right, hold on, guys. Let me just get some things in order here before we begin. All right, remember, as you've just joined the group, please ensure you tap that like button. Even if you're watching on TikTok, ensure that you're liking the stream. And also as well, if you're on YouTube, definitely like and share. Okay. All right. So let's do the quick introduction. My name is I almost gave away my name just now. So welcome to 215 Trades, the home of the 215 technique, basically where I use the 215 technique to successfully look for entries on gold. So far, it has been a very good month, indeed so far for myself and the 215 family, and it's going to continue to be a very great month. Now, the so far for this week, every single minute, gold has been creating records, been breaking records left, right, and center, and I haven't had a chance to grasp the market just yet. So to my fellow comrades there in the premium and also in the 215 trades group, I haven't sent entry. I haven't took entry as well because I haven't gotten any A plus setups. I have been I haven't slept. I haven't slept through the Asian session because I was testing and back testing and testing and testing live, just to see how the pattern has been going on. Now I did have this 215 zone. I had quite a few 215 zones, as you can see, because I'm always in the markets trying to. Yeah, we're almost at 3K. I'm always in the market trying to develop the 215. They need to really attest to the how it's behaving to the all-time highs. Look at this. Look at how each time the markets confirmed an entry to, it just skyrocketed, except for this time right here. So I was tracking it all through Asian just to use some data to get some data and all of that. Created a 215 zone. We got a test of the 15-minute rejection on the above. We got it smacked through that 15-minute rejection on the downside. Now, usually we will begin to redo our charts at 7 a.m. and I'm just about to do that. However, I can smell an entry to cooking right now, so I was waiting for it patiently. But the thing is, now the candles are too big, so that is very, very sad for us to say that an entry 2 could be confirmed and it's not doing so properly. Okay, so sorry about that, and sorry about the technical difficulties I had earlier. Computer was all booted up. They're waiting. Not sure what happened. It just went off. So it was lagging just now, so we had to restart the stream. So this 215 zone was done earlier. I think it was on about, what time was this? I did it. UK time. I think it was about maybe sometime after 5 a.m. this morning. I'm fixing to scrap it though and just move to my 7 minute candle, because if I move to my 7 minute candle, it would give me more strong action. All right. Anyways, let's get right into it. No need for me to waste any time because I definitely know that you guys want to eat some pips today. I sure want to eat some pips today as well. All right, so let's see what's going to happen here. Hmm. Yeah, that's a massive. All right, let's go. All right, so we're gonna basically start fresh, which is not so bad because we do have some areas right there that we can work with. All right, now this is going to be my POI. I think today is going to be a good day. I have a lot, I have areas above, I have areas below, and I'm right in the middle. This is perfect. This is a classic setup for the 215 technique. So I think today is going to be a very good day. All right. All right, so we have our point of interest there at 2917. We're going to be using the 215 technique here. We're using 20 pips above from that, and that should be to 219.65. Oh wow, come on, bro. So that's 219, 2919.656. Okay. This should be all right, and we're going to be doing the reverse of that as well. Nice. I really like where the point of interest is relevant to the the London Open. Yeah, so that should just be at 656 now. 656. And then this should be my sell line. All right, good. Still on the 15-minute time frame. Just need to find the rejection areas for the retest and so forth. So let's go. Let's put this back to my 215 zone. All right, good. Still on the flip side, this seems to be about almost 20 pips, but that's fine. This is going to be the 50-minute rejection. Nice, nice, nice. All right, good. Let's look for a 15-minute rejection on the flip side. There isn't really much, so I'm going to eyeball it to say I'm going to put it right here at the tip of this red one or this gold one right here today to say I'm going to use this as my 15-minute rejection line. Okay. All right, good. So we have that. We have the 15-minute rejection line. On the flip side, we also have it on the downside as well. I'll go on the 5-minute time frame and get a closer look at the rejection, but that's perfectly fine. All right, good. So we have our 215 zone, have the rejection. So it's now time to go to the higher time frames to basically find the target areas on the higher time frame. So this is going to be the 30-minute what do you call that, the 30-minute resistance right there, and here is going to be the 30-minute support. I can just smell it. I can smell the pot bubbling today, guys. I can smell it. That's going to be our 30-minute support. So we have that right there. All right, good. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, see what we're looking at. All right, so we don't have much. Well, let me just use the wick of this area right here as my 1 hour resistance. You can use the wicks as well because it's still price action. So that's the 1 hour resistance right there, and I'll use this area as my 1 hour support. All right, good. So we have that. So let's go now to the 4 hour time frame, see what we're looking at. All right, we have that right there as our 4 hour support. and we will work with this area as the 4-hour. All right, so the 4-hour support and the 4-hour resistance. All right, let me just remove that. Yes. Okay, good. All right, so we have all of that marked out. We have our 215 zone marked out. 50-minute rejection, we have it right there. How many pips away from the 215 zone is that? Let's see, that's about 13 pip, but let's take it down just a little bit to right there, just in line with this, but we still have these areas below on the flip side. All right, so you see that? Candle closing right into that POI zone pretty nicely, right in the middle of it right there. So yeah, we have action above and we have action, a lot of action below uh as well. So it's definitely going to be one to watch today. Yesterday I waited patiently, I trapped the entire market. A few entries came into play, but they didn't quite fit the bill, they didn't quite fit the criteria, so I didn't take it. So, and all my friends, you know, who are in this space, they've been just showing me their profits, and just rubbing it in my face. But if it doesn't align with my technique, my friend, if it's not ideal, if it's not A plus, right? If it's not A plus, then I'm not going to take it. All right. I have a very specific, set of skills. I have a specific set of criterias that you guys all know that we have to follow. All right. Let's mark the register for today. Good morning, Ricky. Good morning, Ishmael. Good morning, Sylvia. Greetings, Mr. Fraser. And good morning as well to you, Nashto, my loyal YouTube subscribers. I wouldn't be nothing without you guys. Thank y'all very much. And to my friends over here on TikTok, greetings to you all. It's not a coin, it's actually XAUUSD. Morning, Ryan. Greetings, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Morning from Ireland. No problem. Good morning, Stephen. And Clips Off Streams. Good morning. Welcome again. All right. So we have been waiting patiently, guys. We've been in this case before where we know we didn't get an entry on a specific day and then we just skyrocketed. So one thing I know is that we just have to be patient. You know how the 215 technique works. You know how the 215 technique works. So we just need to be patient. I know you guys hear that a lot from me. Yeah, maybe a little bit too much, but it does pay off. It definitely does pay off in the end. All right, Millie, greetings to you. Millie, greetings. Now remember, guys, if you're on TikTok and you haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, that is 215 Trades on YouTube, please ensure you go ahead and do so. If you also haven't joined the Telegram group as yet, sorry, please go ahead and do so. All right, good morning, sweet dandy. I've seen that name before. Norway. Nice, 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 nice. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that from Norway. What time is it right now? In Norway, sweet Andy. Because I think it is now 7:25 a.m. here in London. Outside looks gray as usual. And if it's looking this way, it's very cold outside as well. Morning from Germany. Greetings, greetings, greetings. Guys, click the button on YouTube. It helps for the channel. Really, it does. Thank you very much for that, Sylvia. Guys, definitely click that button. Which one of the buttons, though, Sylvia? Is it the heart in the corner? When you press that heart, it does something. I'm 1 hour ahead of London. All right, nice, nice. So you guys should already have breakfast already then. That's good. Well, for me, the doctor said 100 pip a day, keep poverty away. So My breakfast is always pips. I haven't ate since the starting of the week, so I'm definitely waiting here to cook up some pips for myself and you guys. So I'm really waiting patiently. Good morning, Alexia. Good morning, Alexia. Welcome, welcome. Hope you are having a very good morning so far. All right, remember, guys, if you're on TikTok, if you haven't yet followed the channel on TikTok, or you haven't yet shared the channel on TikTok, or like the live, please ensure you go ahead and do so. All right. Also, as well, if you haven't yet followed the YouTube channel, which is 215 Trades on YouTube, please ensure you go ahead and do so. Remember, guys, remember this week, I'm not telling you which one of the days this week I'm going to be giving away that 10K account, that 10K funded account. Not going to tell you when, but you're definitely going to have to be on the YouTube channel to earn yourself a chance to win. Been here several times before, just don't always got the time to stay because lecturers and work, sadly, would love to make this my main income. In time, in time, Dandy, in time. It took me a while to get here as well, and now I'm actually building a business surrounding this trade space. All right, so it's doable. It definitely takes some time. You might need to maybe look at taking sessions, trading the sessions that aligns with you more. But so that's gonna cost you maybe not to sleep as well, like the Asian sessions and so forth. All right, good. So we're getting a push below R215. So where's my Telegram? Where's my Telegram? All right. Remember as oh, I got a message. What's Van saying? I love this technique, bro. 35 pips. Nice, 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 nice. Lovely. All right, Van. Keep it up, my friend. Keep it up. All right. Now remember, guys, the premium group has been started. It's the premium group of the 215 trades. This is a group where it's only just started, guys. So for my fellow members who are in there, just simmer a little bit. It's coming. It definitely is coming. All right. So the premium group, right after the 215 trades, in this group you will have live access to all my entries that I take, as they will all be posted in there as well. And additionally, on top of those notifications as well, you would be a part of the Zoom sessions. So I will be doing regular Zoom sessions with my premium members to go through trade reviews, and also as well reviewing the 215 retest and the 215 go in more clarity. Sometimes as well I may not come on stream, but what I will do, I'll just have a Zoom session with the fellow premium members. So if you'd like to be a part of that premium group, if you'd like to be a part of that growing community of the 215 trades, if you love the technique, right, definitely for sure reach out to me and I can get you set up. The only thing you'd basically have to do is just to join my brokerage network and just trade with me. You can either join I have two brokers on there, IC or Avaya Trade. And if you like to go prop as well, I also have FTMO. If you still want to stick to your own personal setup, that's perfectly fine, as well as we also do have the option of cryptocurrency to just to get you to bypass all of that. So I have a lot of interesting things planned for the premium group, guys. So stay tuned. All right, stay tuned. It's only just the beginning. We only had the session open the group for a few days, and I haven't seen any A plus setup that I was interested in, so I didn't let you guys know. But more to come, my friends. Definitely more to come. All right, so the London boys and gals finally decided. Well, they haven't here. They're not here as yet, but they're definitely pushing the market way down, which I appreciate. This reason being, at all-time highs, man. I'm pulling at straws. I like seeing structure. The 2-on-5 technique, like seeing structure. So with all this pullback, it is very good for us because it's giving us more structure on the upside and also on the downside for us to work with. All right, let's see what's going on. Good morning, Evans. Sweet Andy. Of course, I have been doing some alone, but I've tried your method and it has helped a bit. I'm usually on the smaller side of the lot sizes, so now it's just a small boost in my income. All right, no problem. Baby steps. Baby steps. All right, what's going on TikTok? Chill in the cut. That's a cool name. Sounds like a name of like a Pokemon or something like that. Good morning. Good morning as well, Nikolai. Remember, guys, to like the stream, share the stream as well if you haven't yet done so. Van, I'm wiping my slate clean so I can start with a clean brain to absorb all of what you're teaching in your technique. Now, remember, don't wipe too much. Don't do such a hard reset. You still have to leave some on there. Yeah, this technique is really simple, as you guys can see, right? The greatest sacrifice of this technique is just that you have to be patient. So if you're not patient, it's going to be a little bit dawning on you because you're gonna see the price moving like this and you're gonna go crazy. Oh, look at that! I'm missing out on that. So you know. However, not knowing that the 215, whenever you see these moves, the 215 is already cooking something in the background that you haven't even realized because it is moving like this now. But any true believer of the 215 technique knows that something is cooking right now. Can you guys let me know in the chat what is cooking right now? On such a massive down move, what is cooking right now? Let's see if you guys have been paying attention to the technique. Let's see who the star pupil is. An entry 2. Ding, 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 ding. Exactly. All right. Thank you very much for that, Sylvia. Thank you very much for that, Hunter. Haven't seen you in a while, Hunter. Welcome back. So, if you're a part of the 215 technique, you know whenever the market moves, that's fine. Let it move. We don't chase the market. We're the kings and the queens of the session. You don't see the king chasing anyone or a queen chasing anyone. It has to come to us. Let the market serve us. You know. So we wait for it to come back. A lot of work, man. Very busy. Yeah, for sure. I understand, man. I understand. No problems at all. I think we build in a bigger support as well. Bigger support. Let's have a quick look. So where the price is right now, there's a 30-minute support right here. Price is rejecting extremely high though. I don't like when it rejects so high from the support. I like when it's very intimate, close in the face of the support or resistance, right there. So I like very much this sentence. Don't chase the market, but wait for the market to come to you. Definitely for sure. Definitely for sure. Because imagine all those persons who sold right here, right now. Oh, it's going down. I need peace. Bam. Stop loss got hit. Well, if they're into spanking, then they like when the market spank them, then fine. But for us, that's not a thing. We like doing the spanking, so we have to wait patiently for it to set up. So let's go back to the 30-minute time frame. It definitely rejected from that 30 minutes support here, extremely strong. And we know that this will basically happen because from day one, textbook, right? If you're just getting into this, the first thing that you must, well, one of the first thing that you must know about any technical analysis to understand these charts in any way whatsoever, you will know that at a support, there's always going to be a lot of buying pressure, right? Always going to be a lot of buying pressure. And then at a resistance, there's always going to be a lot of selling pressure. So for price to come down to this 30-minute support and reject it like that, that's fine, because we know that's just the market doing as we know it is supposed to do. I don't like being spanked, no homo. LOL. We don't do that here. Right, Nash? Yeah, we do the spanking, so we don't let the market spank us. Definitely for sure not. Right? So it's all about waiting patiently. Okay, waiting patiently, waiting for a setup to happen, not chasing the market whatsoever. We wait for it to come to us, and then we react. It's gonna drop hard. Yeah, it has been dropping hard. It's very good for us because even if it continues to drop like this, it's just giving us more room. It was just giving us more room for more structure. I love seeing structure. The 215 technique loves seeing structure. Is the fuel of this technique. Sylvia, imagine if you could have held that trade that you took from 280 was that 2816, man. Imagine if you could have held that till now. This would have been crazy. Crazy. Welcome, guys. So if you're on TikTok and you're streaming from TikTok, please just double tap on the screen to get the likes on the video up. Thank you very much. Additionally, as well, if you are not yet a part of the 215 trades on YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. Okay, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. I really appreciate that. All right. Also, as well, you must join the Telegram group. Telegram link should be in the bio. I'm thinking of doing. When is NFP? When is it today? Not NFP. What's that next big news? Don't even tell me. Good morning. With love for my South African supporters. I love them, man. So Powell is gonna talk at 3 p.m. today, so that's gonna be crazy. Yeah, man. Whenever that man opens his mouth, the markets go crazy. And then it's not tomorrow because tomorrow is Wednesday. It's Thursday. The 13 CPI and all of that is coming out. But I marked the 215 zone earlier and I am on a sell. Yeah, no problem at all, Celia. No problem at all. It depends on, because the 215 technique is just relative to whatever time you come into the markets. All right, it's relative to whatever time you come into the markets, and that's what I like about it so much. It's like if you go in a supermarket and you enter from one door, you basically start seeing the goods from where, from the time you enter that supermarket, and you can start to pick the goods from there and the market. So instead of the market revolving around you in a sense, you have full scope of what's going on in the market. So I have seen many times how price come back to the zone during the day. Yeah. Once you mark that zone, Sylvia, that's the magnet. That's the magnet. This is the key to success. I tell you guys that this technique is the key to success in these markets, I tell you. And it's so simple, so brilliantly simple. All right, let's see if we can get an entry 2 from this 30-minute support. We have had some price come down here just a little bit, hasn't closed below it or broken below it as yet. So let's see if we can get an entry 2 to cook right here as well. If it doesn't cook right there, that's fine. We'll just wait for it. We do have London opening in 20 minutes as well. It's a very, very good day. We only have 2,000 likes on TikTok. Can we guys get that to 3,000? I realize that we lost quite a few. Did you delete the 215 trade chat? Yeah, the 215 trade chat Hunter has been deleted because it's now being upgraded to the premium Telegram group. All right. Good morning from Nigeria. Good morning, binary bot. It's not being upgraded to the premium Telegram group. The chat yet is still not active. It's still under construction in a sense. Well, not construction. It has already been built, but it hasn't been developed as yet in regards to persons are still going through their the verification, signing up on the different brokers and so forth. So I haven't added them as yet, but there are a lot of persons who are pending to go in the group. Thinking about doing a live stream, not a live stream, a Zoom as well this week for our premium members. So I'll let you guys know. Good morning from Nigeria. Lovely. You know, I think it was the other day I had, what was it called? Puff Puff for the first time. I had it plain and I had it with cinnamon. Very nice. Very nice. It reminds me, and if anyone, if there are any Jamaicans here, the Puff Puff reminds me of Johnny Cakes. If anyone knows what that is. But anyone, if there's anyone in the chat from Jamaica, they will know what a Johnny Cake is. What was your entry on that sell, Sylvia? How much money you start each day? I'm not sure I understand. What do you mean by that? I lost one of my my accounts last week due to a technical glitch on my what you call it, on my app. I just deleted it at the same time. However, I'm just two, and well, it can be one, but I'm gonna put it into, I'm just two trades away now from getting it back. So much resistance at the 30-minute. So much resistance at the 30. Well, yeah, if you want to call it, yeah. Is the green line at the top is where you will enter. What do you mean? Does anyone know what I'm waiting for right now? Yeah, it's a very strong support, that area right there. Very strong support. Yes, I'm waiting for, yep, an entry 2. That's exactly what I'm waiting for right now. We have the London opening in 15 minutes as well. What I wouldn't like is for the London open, so for the first candle to confirm, right? And then the London opens that 5-minute candle. And it just, then again, it's going to confirm before London open. Yeah, one more. What with the ideal, what you call it, with the ideal SL though. With the ideal SL. Yeah, so if this, I wouldn't mind if this goes back down. Yeah, goes back down a little bit. Gives me a little bit more room All right, yeah, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. So let's see what this one does and see if we can see if I can get a very quick one in it. All right, so you're now at 1 to 3. Nice, nice, nice. So I'm guessing you're just $1,000 away from $1 billion. Is that right, Sylvia? All right, we just waiting patiently. Waiting patiently. That's fine. He can push. That's fine. He can push. Yep. Nice. 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 Congrats, man. Congrats. Congrats. All right, come on, my TikTok viewers. We're still at 2,800 likes. Can you guys just double tap on that screen? Get the likes up to 3K. Carmelitia, good morning from South Africa. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. And welcome as well. You haven't missed anything as yet. Right now there's something cooking in the pot, so I'm just waiting to see if it's gonna get ready. It's gonna be a little bit tricky though as well. We have a 15-minute. What's the target? I'm buying the older block. I'm not sure what order block are you talking about. Well, it's a pretty strong. If an entry tool confirms here and we get it properly, you see this, bam, up, bam, up, bam. It's gonna be a joyride. It's gonna be a joyride. But it's 2 minutes until this one closes. If it closes, I'm going to take it with a grain of salt. But I'm still gonna take it just the same. All right, let me. Bro, I don't even have my MetaTrader open. Oh, you had restarted the computer, that's why. Ew, why does it look like this? What's going on? No, 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 no. My MetaTrader restarted. Why does it look like this? Oh my word. Come on. Um, where's my order button? All right. Da 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 da. All right, come on. Just give me a little bit for pullback. Mm-hmm. All right. Bye. All right. Bro, this today. Come on, bro. Okay. All right. So it just sent the alert to the premium members. So now this is what's cooking for us. So you're just going to manage this properly as the price continues to rise. Hopefully keeping a very tight stop loss on this because we're going against the trend here. So let's see. Man, my internet connection is terrible, buffering every 5 seconds. I just sent 1,000 likes on TikTok. Thank you very much for that, fan. All right, so I'm trying to entry 2 right here. Rejection off that 30-minute. So keeping a very tight stop loss. This one, just to see if we can get a price rejection back to the upside. So let's see what's going to happen. My MetaTrader reset it and everything just look wrong. How do I even... Everything just looks wrong. How do I edit this? Bro, I've been using this MetaTrader for so long, and now I don't even remember how to edit it. Where do I go on MetaTrader 5 to change how my chart looks? Does anyone know? Bro, I haven't done this so long. My chart has always been the same for so long. But this looks hella bad. All right, guys, good. So for my members who are in premium, you should be up 10 pips right now. Remember, we're going against the trend, so we should properly manage this. So as you can see, I didn't send any TP there because what you have to do is that you have to basically manage the profits as they come along. Go to settings, then candlesticks, settings, then candlesticks, tools, the properties. Okay, yeah, I got it. Thank you, guys. All right, good, all right, we're looking nicely. All right, I don't want even, I don't have any time to manage. Nice, good. So you see my premium members, I tell you guys, you know, wait and be patient. It's coming and it has arrived. Okay, it has arrived. So just take some partials. You just went up 20 pips just now and do what you need to do. No wins today, only stop losses. I'm very sorry to hear that, but you're on the right channel. Just please ensure that you head on over to 215 Trades on YouTube and also subscribe. All right. So we're moving up nicely, very nicely as well. Very, very nicely, very smoothly as well. We're up 20 pips on that, and we're going right all the way. My SL was sent in the premium group of the 215 trades group. So you see, my premium members, I tell you, we just have to wait and we just have to be patient. We don't chase the market, let the market come to us. We are the kings and the queens of the market. Okay? We're the kings and the queens of the market. All right, I need to change this thing real quick now that the price is moving in my favor, and I can look away from it because this look ugly, man. I need to first take off my grid lines. Where are my grid lines? I don't even. Where are my grid lines? All right, good, good. We're moving up nicely, moving up nicely, moving up nicely, my friends. Green and black, yes, green and black, background black, foreground white. Grid. I don't want any grid lines, none. Nice, nice. Okay. Nice, exactly. Pretty nice indeed. Okay. All right, my premium members, just manage the profits now as you see fit. Okay. Just manage the profit now as you see fit. Now, the thing about it now, you know what's going to happen now, guys. This is what's going to happen now, okay? Our London boys and gals, they see that we didn't eat any breakfast yesterday. We didn't have any breakfast yesterday. They saw that. So now they're going to say, okay, the chef is cooking. The chef is already sharing out some pips. So this is what we're going to do for him, right? We are going to send a barrage of pips now for him to eat. I'm putting my TP now on this entry at 100 pip. That's where I'm putting my TP right now on this entry at 100 pip. That's where I'm putting it. Okay? I'm putting it at 100 pip and I'm leaving it. So in 2 minutes, my London boys and gals, when they come in and they're in the markets now and they're looking, they see and they say, you know, yada yada yada, the chef is cooking, the chef must eat. 3/4 of my position closed at 669 and TP pending and 1/4 pending. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's exactly what I did as well. Nice. Please tell me, what time do you mark out the charts? Depends on what time I come on. I come on stream early. But usually it's at 7 a.m. But this morning we had some technical difficulties, so we had to reshuffle. But I think those technical difficulties which we had was just in time for what we did. Good morning, Henny. Hi, Henny. Come on, Henny. You're supposed to be on YouTube. I told you I like when you're on YouTube, Henny. All right. Rizla says code. All right, good. So we're just waiting now for the London boys and gals to give us what we need. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. All right. If you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades channel on YouTube, please go ahead and do so. All right. Send the entry before I took it in the premium group. They should be all up nicely. We didn't get an entry yesterday. However, they got it for today. Okay. So 1 minute time until London opens. Okay, I'm heading over. Thank you, Henny. All right, does Mac MSC in their investment group way to? I'm not quite sure what that is, to be honest. So I can't attest to that. Remember, guys, I'm no financial advisor. I'm just some random guy on the internet that is just showing you how to basically extract pips. No, wrong direction. Go the other way. Thank you. So I'm just some random guy here on the internet that shows you how to basically extract pips from the market using the 215 technique. No, master's investment. I don't know any of that. Our program of studies at university. I did not go to any school to do this. I went to my laptop. That's where I went. All right, good. This is moving nicely. Come on, my London boys and gals. I would like 100 pip on this one. Got a very nice entry in at 2910. So 100 pip would be at 2920. That is where I'm putting my full TP on this one. All right. Remember, guys, if you're in premium and you're in this right now, please ensure you take your partials. This should be a very risk-free entry for everyone right now. Take your partials. Take your partials and let it ride. Let it ride. So my full TP is 100 pips. That's what I'm going for. 100 pips. 2,920. We got in at 210. Ideally as well. What if we're gonna get cheeky and say, wow, we're going for all-time highs again? Well, let's see if London is gonna give it to us, baby. What's the saying of Austin Springs? What's that say? Where he says baby. I don't. Um, Henny. Hi, Henny. Welcome to YouTube. Hi, everyone. Sylvia, what are you cooking? Sylvia is a star, man. My star pupil, I tell you. We aiming that high. Henny, come on. We didn't eat yesterday. We didn't eat yesterday. So 100 pips is nothing. Remember, usual. How many pips did we take from the market last week? I stopped counting because I think I'm pretty positive it was a very high number, way over 200 pips, if I'm not mistaken. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. Okay, if this technique has helped you out in any way whatsoever, if you'd like to be a part of my premium 215 trades group, we're up over 40 pips now. If you want to be a part of my premium group, where you can get the notification of my what you call it, of my entries. Not only that, because the premium group, guys, let me just make this clear to you. All right, so you guys understand what I'm trying to do here. Okay, the premium group is not just a signals group. It's not a signals group. I don't even want to class it as a signal. It's a benefit of the group, yes. However, my main aim for the premium group is where I can build a level of connection with my fellow 215ers, right? We can have the Zoom sessions, the live Zoom session. Those are the sessions that I'm ideally gunning for, so I can build with my fellow 215ers, and I can help them master the technique way more and understand it way more. So that's really what the premium group is for. Definitely, for sure, all my entries are going to be shared in there, of course. However, one of the main benefits of the group, apart from eating a lot of pips, one of the main benefit of the group is those sessions that we will have, and you can speak with me as well, surrounding the technique and all of that, and that we can help each other out. So that's one of the main benefits of the group, to help master and grow this technique. I'm already at break even now, so let me just take my stop loss off this. So I just need this to fly. It is XAUUSD. Hi, Henny Holler. It was a lot. I'm trying to see how to make payment. Good. Online students. Okay, I thought it was just for signals. No, 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 no. No, guys. It's not just for signals. Fam, I don't like signals groups. I don't like signals group because I think you should learn more out of it. But it's a benefit of being a part of the premium group. You'll get the signals, yes, right? And that's why I said there's much more coming on. There's much more to come for the premium members. The live Zoom session, the trade reviews. You have direct access to me in a sense. So the premium is me. It's just me offering all my knowledge to you and help you to grow the technique and all of that. But if by the time we finish, let's say, about for a year, for everyone who would be in the premium group, they can actually go out, and teach the technique or even start their own YouTube channel, on the 215 technique as well. So it's not just about signals, guys. Don't get it wrong. It's not just about signals. It's about learning the 215 technique, mastering the 215 technique. Not only 215 technique retest, but also the 215 go. Right? It's going down. It doesn't matter if it goes down. We've executed. We came. We execute, and we took what we need out of it. A 50 pip move in the early morning. That's nice. That's very nice. That's just the appetizer, my friend. That's just the appetizer, right? So if you want to be a part of my premium group, if you want to take on this journey with me to learn the 215 technique, to get my entries, to be a part of those Zoom learning sessions, to learn how to master this technique, to ask me those questions that you don't understand and you're afraid to ask it on stream, right? Be a part of the group. Same, I don't like signal group because I feel I don't. Yeah, I know, and that's the same sentiment I have, right? So I'm doing more. I'm adding more to it because that premium group is also another business. So the YouTube channel is because I tell you, I'm building a business around this. So the YouTube channel is a business. My trading is a business. My premium group is a business. That's why I'd like for you guys to come onto my network, right? But I am going to be the business. So it's not only just you're going to be getting signals, but you're also going to be learning as well because I will have those Zoom sessions. Those Zoom sessions are going to be ideal. I think because we're on the stream right now. We're on the stream right now. You can't really ask me any questions because I'm here and you're there. But when you're on that Zoom, then you'll definitely get the chance to ask me those as well. Also, I'm looking as well where we will have Zoom sessions even on the weekend to possibly look into getting the crypto. I'm showing you guys how to do the 215 technique on crypto. So if you want to call it a mentorship in a sense, you can, but that's what I am aiming for using the premium group. So it's not just for signals, not for signals only. It's really about learning and pushing the 215 technique way more than where it is right now. All right. Let's see what's going on in the chat. Henny, that's what I'm saying. I'm still figuring out to make payment for the premium. Henny, it's not. Send me a message, Henny. It's not so bad. You can't leave me out here. You have a huge heart, bro. God bless you. Thank you very much for that, Van. Sweet Dandy, how much does it cost? No, Sweet Dandy, just send me a text message on Telegram. Go. So, hold on. Let me just repost this message again in the Telegram chat. I'm gonna repost the message in the Telegram chat, and you guys just follow this message, and I'll let you guys. And you just I'm gonna send this. You follow it and follow the instructions, and then we can talk. So it's not just a signals group, my friend. It's not just it's a benefit of that. The signals are a benefit of it, yes, but I have so much more planned for it. So much more planned for the premium group. Are they gonna take us out there? Come on, London. Come on. You guys told me we're gonna get 100 pips. Because if you come to the streams every day, and you see how I do the technique, you see how I execute, how I extract pips from the market daily using this technique. Why wouldn't you want to learn and master this technique more, right? And who better to learn it from the guy who created it himself? So I just sent that message again in the Telegram group. You just need to follow the instructions on that, and then I will reach out to you and let you guys know. All right. So we're getting a very aggressive pullback here. Um, Possibly going to take us out as well, because I'm already at break even. So I was waiting. I read. Come on, London, give us that 100 pip, man. I already messaged you and you said I can only make a transfer via BTC and so forth. Yeah, if you're doing a crypto, right? So the thing is, if you're already on your brokership, and you don't want to come off your brokership and come on to my affiliated ones, you can just make one single crypto transfer. But if you are in the UK, you should be able to get access to crypto so easily. If you use Revolut, I think it's called. So it's not quite difficult. So check it out. No, I don't use those. So apology. I'm very sorry about that. But if you check it out. Oh no. All right, London. All right, London. I see you. I see you. Definitely see you. All right, so that's fine. We got 50 pips out of it. That's fine. And the funny thing about it, no, wait, I'm still in. A funny thing about it, it didn't even go back into the 215 zone to give us an entry one to take the ping pong setup from it. Have you ignored my no? Wait, hold on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Sylvia. I was hold on. Surely there must be a scholarship for good online students. Okay, I thought it was just for signals. No, yesterday I had two friends who will participate in the premier group, but I have to explain to them because they don't know English. I guess you have to hire me in this situation to translate. You have to translate. Ah, all right. So what? So okay, so when we have the Zoom sessions, then you'd have to translate it for them in English as well. Is that the case? Carmelita, we do. Does Manzo do crypto? Possibly they do, but I definitely know for sure Revolut does. Carmelita, we normally mark out at 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. We normally mark the charts whenever we come live on stream. What's TikTok saying? When do you know when to come out? All right. Well, I took an entry two just now. So knowing the levels of entry two, what entry two does is that it goes against the trend of the market. So if it's going against the trend, we usually risk manage properly on it, where it's a case where we would use a smaller lot size, use a smaller stop loss as well. And we take partials along the way as it go up, because as you can see, we're coming in a very strong downtrend, right? We're coming in a very strong downtrend. Am I still in? Yeah, I'm still in. We're coming from a very strong downtrend, so we're going against the current. We're swimming against the current. So as it continues in profit, we take partials along the way and move our SL to B. If it kicks us out, it kicks us out. I'm yet to learn how to put the POI. Is it the opening price? No, it's not the opening price goal. It is whatever price that goal was trending at whenever you you reading the charts. How many persons are still in with me right now? How many persons are still in with me right now? Who made the 215 technique? I did. And as a courtesy as well, for my premium members on those Zoom sessions, I'll let you guys know my name. I know you guys don't know my name, but I'll let you guys know my name. So my premium members, they will know my name. Still in. Mark, still in. as well. Yeah, still in. It came so close to my my BE line just now, but ideally, come on, London, you guys told us. Well, then again, let's not complain, guys. Let's not complain. We didn't get an entry yesterday, but we got one today. We're able to score 50 pips on it. So very nicely. We're still in as well. So we're just waiting to see what we can get. Is it bullish? I don't know if it's bullish. This is how patience plays off, my friend. This is how patience, this is a classic way how patience pays off. We've been here and we've been waiting patiently for an entry. We got it. You hit break even. Yeah, mine is just above it. If it goes back below this a little bit more, it's gonna take me out at BE. But that's fine. I took partials while we were going up, so that's perfectly fine. Leo FX been stomped out. Mine hit break even. When I see the entry is almost here, I like to buy on the 1 minute chart. Okay, that's fine. Because there you can see how candle is moving up and down. Ah, I see. Nice, nice, nice. All right, that's good. You see that? So Sylvia has just added some personal practices on the what do you call it, on the 215 technique. I like that. I like that. I love that, Sylvia. I love that. Van, if I would move SL to be even, I would still be in, but I always move SL to 3 pips above entry to pay the broker fees for next trade. Okay. Well, that's smart. No, that's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine, Van. That's perfectly fine. You got some pips just the same. Because if it went up, we're taking entry two, so we know we would have be taking partials. There's no possible way the market could move 40 pip above 40 pip and us not taking partial on that, because if you think about it, the what you call it, the 215 zone is 40 pips. So if the 215 zone is 40 pips, why would we not, right? Why would we not take partials? So I still have a very small amount running on there. I still have my TP at 100 pip. You might say I'm crazy, but I'm still holding to see if I can get that 100 pip move. So let's see. Very often you catch 2 pips, better enter. All right. Also, as well, guys, I want to let you know, when I send you that link to that notification to come into the group as well. The first time deposit is those figures or those fees is basically the amount for you to trade with. So that amount is not going anywhere. You're just going to have it in your account, and that's basically what you're going to be using to trade. I keep hitting break even. Why are you hitting break even, Fikwi? Are you following the 215 technique or no? Remember, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. Remember, we're also doing a giveaway this week as well, live on the YouTube channel, and we're also going to be doing 24-hour live stream as well, coming very soon once we hit 2,150 subscribers in honor of the 215 technique. So let's see what's happening here. This 15-minute rejection is behaving as a roof right now. It's acting like a roof and it keeps on rejecting the price. If we can get a candle closure above this, then it's open roads for us. No, but earlier I took some buys. It was going good, but I came back down to my break even. Ah, I see. Then that's just how the game goes, my friend. That's just how the game goes. I always trade MT5 on my phone. I enter the 1 minute chart and catch the moment when the 1 minute candle is as low as possible. If I buy and I catch the price when it's nice, not risking my margin. All right. I to be honest, I don't like using my phone, and I wasn't using my phone for a very long time the other day. And the one time I break my rules, I lost one of my funded account. But I'm actually almost there to get it back now though. Now the thing is, and it's so funny how whenever you break your rules, that is the time that the market decides to basically reward you with some nonsense. And I think if a lot of persons stuck to their rules, you know, they wouldn't have problems with trading. All right, but remember, guys, I'm no financial advisor. I am just some random guy here on the internet that is using the 215 technique to successfully extract pips from the market. All right, what app I use right now on the screen? I'm actually using this is TradingView, but I use MT5. I use MT5 and yeah, MT5. Yeah, yeah, always have to stick to your rule, my friends. Always stick to your rules. You created those rules to protect you. Oh, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out on that one. All right, that's fine. That's fine. We took 45 pips from the market. Not our usual eating spree, not our usual buffet line of 100 pips, but we took 40 pips just the same. That is perfectly fine. Well done, my fellow 215ers. Give yourself a round of applause. You did it again. Sylvia isn't. Wait, hold on. Did someone say Silver is built different? Is that fine? I've been trading this technique on demo account, but I feel confident enough with this technique to fund my real account. No problem at all, Van. No problem at all. For me, it's better because I look at the computer to see if the conditions are met, and if I see, why am I reading like that? And if I see my entry, I don't have to switch. Just click buy and sell on the phone. Yep, no problem at all. All right, so we just got kicked out of that one. And it went right back to that 30-minute support. If this kind of rejects and go to my 100 pips, man, I'll throw this computer through the window. London needs that push. Yeah, it needs that push. That's what I was banking for. I would say that they will see that we're here and we're hungry for some pips. Not well, they've given us an appetizer and we're grateful for that, don't get me wrong. You're still in. That one, oh, maybe you had an earlier entry because you did that 1 minute thing. Ah, that's fine. That's fine, Sylvia. You are a legend. Gold is acting really shady. No, bro. This is gold. This is how gold has really been. This is the usual suspect move of gold. I'm still in. Wonder if I should try it again. Hold on. The 1 minute chart. I guess I could incorporate the 1 minute chart as well, because there's a one in the 215 technique. The one could be 1 minute. But no. My SL was just below the M30. Ah, yeah, I see. Yeah, we just got it as well. I'm still in as well, holding tiers. Seller buy. All right, so you guys are still in as well. Yeah, this candle tickled my my SL, so it's out. I'm not complaining though. Definitely not complaining. Sylvia is on prop. You have two positions going right now. Sylvia, I tell you, you are a legend. You are a legend. All right. So that was a very good entry we took up right here. Was aiming for 100 pip, but I got taken out. Very good, just the same. We got 45 pip out of the market, and I still think it's gonna continue. So I just actually might re-enter this trade. But how are you gonna re-enter? Did you get a confirmation for a re-entry? No. So why are you re-entering? Remember, man, don't chase the market. Let the market chase you. All right. Henny, I have a funded account. Too much noise on the 1 minute. A lot of whip saws. Yeah, of course. Sylvia is, of course, she is an ambassador, and she is for a reason. Look at that push. I'm gonna wait to see if I can get just push that button, man. Haha. All right, what does the 15-minute time frame look like? If this 15-minute candle closes above here, I will re-enter again. RG, you have to prepare me a medal, of course. Of course. I lose all I lose all money last week. I lost my phone with a trade running. What? What? Wow. Millie, I'm sorry to laugh, but wow. That's crazy. So you entered a trade and someone stole. Well, you said you lost, and you lost your phone while a trade was running. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy. All right, so I just need yeah, basically just one more trade, one more good, yeah, just one more good trade, and this account is passed. Nicely done. I want to see what it's going to do at this area here, because it keeps coming to it, it keeps rejecting, but it's not going lower. So that definitely means it wants to go higher. Yeah, that's bad luck, man. That's some Crazy bad luck as well. Yeah, that's crazy bad luck. Imagine losing your phone with an entry still running on it. Damn. If I had found that and I saw that you were in, but how did you lose all though? Wouldn't did you not put a stop loss on it? Oh, okay. So you are a trader that I see. You go full margin, no stop loss. Is that how you do it, Millie? What's happening with the DXY right now? It's still going down. I still think we can recover from this sell here. We still it still is indicating to me that it wants to continue higher. Still can beat this price level right here, this 15-minute rejection. But as soon as it does, I definitely think next time just call your broker or sign in. Maybe go to like a, I don't know, a library or something and get signed in. But no worries, Millie. You're here now. You're here now. DXY selling. You're here now. You're with the 215 family, and we always look out for each other by presenting pips. So don't you worry yourself. It will come back to you. Just be patient. Wait for your entries. It will definitely come back. Okay. All right. So for all those persons who haven't subscribed to the 215 Trades YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. For all my TikTok viewers who haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades YouTube channel or the 215 Trades Telegram channel, please go ahead and do so. Can you explain the 215? I would say if you'd like to learn the 215 technique, my friends, just head on over to my 215 Trades YouTube channel. There are quite a few videos over there that explains the 215 technique in full. All right, that explains this technique in full. Okay, it came back now. Please don't come back. Yeah, yeah, I still think this is going to continue. Is going to continue higher. So let's see. Let's see what's going to happen, boys and gals. This area right here is just such a strong rejection area. We're not getting a close above it. We're not pushing above that area. 15-minute time frame, still rejecting from it, still not closing above it. That's just very sad. We use a series of time frames to confirm a series of things. We use a 5-minute time frame for entry confirmation, the 15-minute time frame for the structure markout of the 215 zone, and we use the 30-minute, 1 hour, and the 4-hour time frame for our target areas. And we also use 1 and 2 candles as well. If you don't mind, can I ask you something? Of course you can. If you struggle with discipline in trading, try this. Set daily trade limits, journal every trade, stick to the 215. Haha, your future self will thank you. Guys. All right, good. You mean for a retest if it comes back in the 215 zone? Yeah, if it confirms a retest, then yeah, we can definitely take an entry of that retest. Z, you said that if you were gonna ask me a question. Yeah, sure, shoot. Hold on, TikTok is doing something again. Let's see if it's a band. Okay, it's not a ban. May we use this to place? May we use this place as an entry to second time? The 30-minute support. Yeah, we can. We can. But right here is extremely aggressive. That's the thing. The only thing is extremely aggressive. And if it's behaving like that, it keeps testing it though, but it's not going beyond this area. So that does show me that there's more buying pressure than selling pressure, because even though it comes here, it's not closing below here and it keeps closing close to this area. Yeah, London is really just playing with us today. It gave us that 40 pip, but yeah, we're grateful. We're grateful. We're not being ungrateful. We're grateful. But let's see what's gonna happen in the next 15 minutes or so. I'm a YouTube on my laptop and TikTok on my phone. Logs about 10 seconds behind YouTube. Yeah, I think I think TikTok is faster than YouTube when it comes on to a live stream. I think you can actually see. I think TikTok is more. I think TikTok is real time, if I'm not mistaken. But TikTok, they don't have. TikTok have a very. I don't know. They just don't like me on TikTok. TikTok right now, I'm live on TikTok. Yes, but that's my third account on TikTok because they're still going. Yeah, it's not breaking above that. It's not breaking above that resistance line really for me. All right, good guys. So if you want to join the Telegram group, you can just join it from the YouTube channel or from the Telegram, from the TikTok channel. The link is in the bio. And additionally, as well, if you want to be a part of the premium group as well, the information is also there of how you can join it. All right, so I will be closing the stream in 5 minutes. There's not much going on right now. So let's just basically leave it there for today. Let's leave it there for today. Sorry, just joined. Are you looking to buy or sell? Well, we've already been in buy. On this, we've already taken 40 pips. Some persons have taken out more already, so it's really just what is left of the trade. Not a whole lot. Persons are on with positions, but guys, good day, just the same as we say. We know we need to be patient and wait for the market to come to us versus us going to the market. And for all my TikTok viewers, thank you all for coming. And also, if you have followed the channel as well, thank you for that. All right. If you haven't yet followed the 215 Trade channel on YouTube, please ensure you go ahead and do so. Okay. All right, with that said, my friends, thank y'all for coming. And I will respond to those persons who are interested in joining the premium channel. New York today. I'm not sure. Not really feeling New York, but I'll be watching this, Joe, just the same. But I'll let you guys know. All right. Well, tune in again tomorrow, same time, same place. You know where to find me. Thank you all for everything, and stay safe and happy trading.